So living in Canada, I am fortunate enough to have an abundance of wood. This is a piece of maple that I picked up this morning for free. I drove by and a guy was cutting a couple of trees down, and I mentioned the fact, I stopped by and I mentioned the fact that I was a wood turner, and I says, how much would you sell me a log or two for? So he said, just go ahead and take one. So this is the one I chose, and it's still wet. It was just cut down this morning, but I think it's quite spectacular. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut the pith out, and I'm going to cut it into maybe a couple, 2 or 3 bowl blanks and a couple of spindle blanks with my chainsaw. So this is my chainsaw. It's the Stihl MS250. Chain is sharpened, and we'll check the oil. There is oil in there for the bar, and fuel. Now I think I'm going to just top these up anyway, so I'll do that and come right back. Okay, you always want to make sure your blade is well oiled, your bar is well oiled, otherwise you will end up sharpening your teeth more than you need to. So this is gas and oil mix together. So I'm going to wear my hard hat with my face shield and a pair of earplugs to cut this. So I was cutting the pith out of the center board and I came across this right in the heart of the wood. I'm not sure exactly what it is yet. Some kind of a screw. It looks like a lag bolt. A lag bolt right in the center of the wood. This is the bark. Wow, my chainsaw just kissed it. Okay, so my chain did in fact hit this bolt right here, or this lag bolt right here, and it cut through the metal a little bit. So what has happened, my chain is now seized. Now I haven't looked at it yet to find out what the issue is, so I thought I would do that now with you guys. I'm hoping it's just something minor, but I don't know. This chainsaw is not even a year old. I bought it this year, so I'm doing it here. I should do it on my bench really, but this is fine. I can do it here. I'm just going to take these two bolts out, take the cover off. Hopefully I can find something not too devastating. So what I'm going to do, let's take a look. Find out why this is not spinning. It seems like this is jammed. I think I'm going to take a pair of channel locks to this. Cause that. There's some grime in there, a little bit, but it was recently cleaned. That doesn't feel good at all. That doesn't feel good at all. It almost seems like there's no lubrication in there, but I did use an gas oil mix, which is still in there, and I did use bar oil, which is still in there. So what is causing this now to be seized? It seems like it's seized. Seized in there. I might have to give this a good clean and find out why it's not moving. It may have to go back. So, as I've just found out, this bolt somehow has managed to seize my chainsaw engine. So what I'm going to be doing tomorrow after work is taking it back to the store where I purchased it from, and hopefully the warranty will cover that. It's literally 8 months I've had it, maybe 8 months, and I haven't even gone through the first can of gas with it yet, so I haven't really even used it that much. But it seems that hitting this one screw may have ended its life. There's no free movement in the chainsaw. I just started it up now and tried to start it and move it, and it just doesn't move. So I'm thinking the engine is seized, but that's incredible. I don't understand how that would happen. The gas oil mix is correct. The bar was oiled, and I just cut the one log. You saw me cut the one log, 2 cuts, and then the final cut to cut this center piece of wood in half to get rid of the pith. Found the bolt, and that was it. The engine is now done. So that doesn't seem like it should happen to me. Maybe put some comments if you've had some similar issues. and hopefully I'll get back to you and find out how this thing gets resolved. After tomorrow I'll find out. Okay, thanks for watching, and just be aware this could happen to anybody, and hopefully I get it resolved soon enough and get myself a chainsaw that's working again. But I mean, it's a great chainsaw, but I don't understand what happened. It's too bad. I want to thank you guys for a great response for my Christmas ornament for the challenge by Alan Stratton and Cole Jacobson. Really appreciate the positive feedback, even though I had a tough time finishing my ornament, and it was kind of a last minute entry. What I wanted to say is good luck to everybody that entered. I've been going through the videos myself, and there's some fantastic ornaments in there, so I think it's a tough competition, I think. So anyway, Merry Christmas to everybody, enjoy the competition, and we'll see how this one goes. Okay, take care now.